Yesterday morning when I tried to turn on my 2016 Tacoma, the vehicle would not start. Here's a quick video of what it sounded like when I tried to turn it on yesterday. Now, as you can see, when I turned on the vehicle, I got consecutive clicking sounds. The vehicle has a push button start, and so when I tried to push that button, I think that the ignition was trying over and over to start the vehicle. However, that's not what was going through my mind yesterday. When I heard that sound yesterday, I was thinking something was seriously wrong with the vehicle. Now, when I got into the vehicle yesterday, instrument cluster turned on. When I pushed the ignition, the audio system turned on, and so I was thinking it probably wasn't a battery issue. I did try jumping the vehicle, had no luck with that, but I had to go run some errands, and when I came back to the house later on, I went ahead and gave it one more try, and when I pushed the button, completely blank on the instrument cluster and audio system. So that led me to believe that it actually was a battery issue. Now, the nice thing is that I've got this handy YouTube channel, and I posted the video on there letting you guys know about my concerns with the vehicle. Probably 70% of the comments were telling me, just a battery, don't worry about it. And so I'm hoping that you guys are right. I went yesterday evening, picked up this Interstate battery from Costco. It was $89.99. Gonna go ahead and throw it in the vehicle and see if that solves my issue. All right, so as you can see, I already removed the old battery. It's pretty simple to pull out. You basically just need to disconnect the positive and negative lead here. I've got this additional connection for my hidden winch. And then over here, got this little bracket, which when we put the new battery back in, connects down on that side, and then there's a little hole down on the other side over here that guy pops into, and then you see we just use a wrench to tighten it down. So pretty easy to pull it out. We will put the new battery in and then make those connections and put that bracket back on. With the new battery, it also comes with these little plastic clips, red for positive, black for negative. So we're just gonna have to pull these little caps off, and then we'll get installed. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you have any residual acid on these connections, make sure you clean them off. I used a rag to get kind of the bulk of it off at first, and then if you use a little water and baking soda, dissolves the rest of it pretty nicely. Then you want to let it dry before you make the new connection. When you remove your old battery, make sure you take off this little piece that's attached to the positive terminal, because you're going to need to reinstall it on the new battery. And then we've got this little bolt here that will go through. Got a washer, goes on the other side here. And then this little nut that's going to screw in on that side. Once this is attached, then we can connect the positive. Once that little adapter is on there, this cable is going to go on first, followed by this cable, and then I also have the cable for my winch. So I can't do that and hold the camera, so basically that one, this one, and then bolt it on with this guy. So once that's all connected, you've got this little plastic flap that you just want to cover over it, keeps moisture off of that terminal. So let's push that on. We'll go ahead and try it out. All right, so here we go. This is the moment of truth. All right, started right up. So as you can see, it looks like I jumped to conclusions too quickly in my last video. Fortunately, it was just a battery issue and a pretty easy fix on the Tacoma. Looks like the Toyota reputation for reliability lives on yet. For more videos of the 3rd generation Tacoma, be sure to subscribe. Got some really cool changes coming to the Tacoma in the near future, so you'll want to stay posted for that. In the meantime, thanks for watching.